2-quart bowl with lid. And this is what's so amazing about this bowl. It comes into our two most popular patterns of Old World and Floral Lace. And you're getting that awesome 2-quart bowl. And a bowl is a baker, so it's a customer request all day long. It's that low profile bowl that has the hand painting on the outside, the hand painting on the inside. And then we're going to show you this cork lid. Why a cork lid? Well, it's so on trend, but it does so many things to the bowl. So you can lid the bowl just like so. I love the fact that cork is lightweight. It's easy on, easy off. It absorbs food. It is food. I'm sorry. It absorbs moisture from food. It is food safe. And then I just want to show you right here. Do you see that little knob right there? That is purposefully done. So when you lay it on top, it's very easy to find to pull the cork on and off. This cork is also heat resistant, so you can use it as a trivet. You can use it to serve food, or you can lose it on the top. But let's talk about the fabulous colors that it comes in. Again, in floral lace, there's that gorgeous gray. So chic, so farmhouse. So love that gray. There's the blue. By the way, that blue is our most popular color in floral lace. Next, we have the cranberry. That cranberry is that muted red tone, beautiful for the fall season. Then we have our gorgeous gray. Am I right with it? There's gray. Love that. That gray again, so on trend. Next to the gray, we're going to have the red. When you're thinking about Christmas and you need that great size Christmas bowl, here's the thing about the red though. There's only 5 dozen left, and this is the only order of the year. So once they're gone for the year. The next color that we have is the taupe. Love the taupe. If you saw the canisters that I had on earlier, it's the most perfect match. That's going to be a fabulous neutral. Then, in addition to that, in Old World, our other most popular pattern is the Old World Blue. Check out that color in Old World. There's only 200 left, but notice in Old World where it has not just blue, has pops of marigold and red, touches of brown, beautiful rope border at the top. Then next we have the confetti. You can see the myriad in colors in there, and that's what Tara Tesher collects. But here's the thing, there's only 6 dozen left. So if you have your eye on that confetti, definitely put it in your cart and check out right now. Next to that, we're going to have the green. This is where it all started 19 years ago. So if you've been collecting, don't miss out on this. It's a collector's piece because there's only 5 dozen left. In addition to the green, we have that gray. I'm obsessed with this gray. There's 300 left, and it's a fabulous farmhouse chic neutral tone. And then finally, we have the taupe. Again, the taupe. Love the fact that it's that neutral. 500 available in the taupe. These are that perfect everyday size bowl. Not only is this a bowl that you can prep in, so take your KitchenAid mixer, mix right in here. You can bake in this in the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave. It's the most perfect size. It goes in the dishwasher, the refrigerator, the freezer. This is that bowl that you're going to reach for time and time again. Let me show you some great ideas that I have for it. It's fall. What does that mean? Comfort food cooking. So, how about one dish cooking? Being able to chop up my vegetables right in this bowl, layer in my fruit, put my pork chops right on top. I prep it in here. I cook it in here and I bring it right to the table with easy elegance. Come on up here. How about your salads? The fact that now I can put my salad all the way around because of that low profile, that 2-quart capacity, I can fill it right to the top or I can go over. That's what I love about a low profile bowl. And then the other thing that I love is that when I want to have a trivet right there, I love the fact that, look at that. This will absorb all of the moisture that will come from a nice cold bowl. We talked about that cork being food safe. Halloween's right around the corner. How about putting all your Halloween, your Thanksgiving, your Christmas treats right here? Because now that cork is now going to be my server. And then come follow me to the oven. We talked about so many great ideas for a bowl, but the fact that this can go in the oven up to 500 degrees, that it could fit in the microwave, I can now bake my awesome Christmas cobbler. Oh my gosh, look at this right in here. Follow me because I want to show you why you need stoneware in your kitchen. Not only is it beautiful, not only is it affordable, but it's also functional. So it's naturally nonstick. That means I can literally pull that ooey gooey cobbler. You see the steam coming out of there? right away. You know what it's like when you're trying to get all of your Thanksgiving or Christmas desserts out on the table at the same time, or you're trying to keep your mashed potatoes and your stuffing warm? Well, stoneware is going to keep hot foods hot longer, cold foods cold longer. So there's so many great uses for this universal size 2-quart bowl. Don't miss out. It's the only order this year. When they're gone, they're gone. There's certain colors that we had under double digits. So let's talk about them. In Floral Lace, we have that taupe, that gorgeous neutral. If you're thinking gift, I think taupe is a great way to go. Then we have our great bright red. Think about the Christmas season, maybe filling this with some fairy lights and some Christmas balls and putting some greens in here. That would just be stunning. In addition to the red, we also have that gray, that farmhouse chic, that really nice deep gray. Remember, Floral Lace has the etching on the outside and that hand painting on the inside, the beaded border at the top. In addition to the gray, we have the cranberry. Cranberry is going to be that deeper red tone. Now, we don't always have red and a cranberry as a choice, so be sure to pick that cranberry up if you love it. And then, of course, we have so many other fabulous colors, and we're going to see that Floral Lace Cobalt Blue, the most popular color that we have in Floral Lace. Everybody just loves that blue. Then we have our Floral Lace Black. Is that black? I'm not sure. A little hard for me to tell. I'm going to go with black. Oh, yes, Floral Lace Black. Thank you for the help. Wait, black is like that 12. So you're going to love it. It has the highs and the lows of the creams and the deepness of that nice deep black color. Then again, we also have Old World. There's the Old World taupe, beautiful and neutral. In addition to that, we have the Old World gray. Then we have the Old World green, where it all started 19 years ago. And I know these are some of these are super limited in colors. Then we have the confetti. Yes. All right. Confetti, super limited. If that's what you want, make sure you put it in your cart and you check out. Then, of course, we have the blue, that beautiful Mediterranean Old World blue color. You can't go wrong with any of these. They're all just so stunning. But again, no reorder. When these are gone, they're gone. And if you've ever wondered how many times you reach for a bowl, but now this is a baker, this is something you don't want to miss out on. That great cork can lid the top, lid the bottom. It's food safe. This is going to be your fall baking bowl for the fall and the winter season. Don't miss out. Under $30, H226564. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, and when we return, I don't know what you're doing for the next hour, but we have an hour of the today's bonus